Today we're going to be reviewing Cobalt Replacement 6 milliamp battery. Here's what comes in the box. We got the 6 milliamp battery. This is compatible with the 40 volt. So this is a 6 milliamp battery. So that means that you will be able to do everything in one sitting. If you are like me, I think it's a 4 milliamp and a 2 milliamp. I have the 4 milliamp for my mower. I have the 2 milliamp for the blower and the trimmer. With this, you could do it all. If you don't have a huge backyard or front yard, you should be able to do the lawn mowing, the blower, the trimmer, or the trimmer and then the blower with one battery. This should last you the whole lawn care. Like I said, you can use it for your lawnmower, then your blower, or your trimmer, or blower, your edger. So if you're looking for a battery that you would be able to do all that, this is the battery. It's compatible with 45 plus devices from the name Cobalt. Is compatible with 45 plus devices from Cobalt. It's not expensive. If you are struggling with the batteries from the original batteries, this battery has a 3-year warranty. So if the battery gets damaged within the 3 years, you can get it replaced. That's pretty good. So it's compatible. It has a measure. You can see here. So it has 4 divided by 100 is 25%. So it's 100, 75, 50, and 25. So like that, you can gauge how much battery you have. If you're almost done and you got 25%, so you should be finishing up. But definitely will last you a long time. If you go from the 4 to the 6, you'll notice how longer you can go with just the one battery. I can explain it because I had a 4 and it was halfway to my lawn mowing. It will die. Then I had to get the 2, put the 4 to charge. And this, you can use the chargers too, the original chargers to charge it. And it was take the 4, put it to charge, use the 2s. The 2s die quicker in the lawnmower. So this will take care of all that. If you're looking for a battery that is compatible with all of them, check the reviews, check the photos so you could see that it works perfectly. Definitely recommend it. For the price, you're not gonna get another battery like this. So check them out. Go check the store. Get you one. Get rid of all that headache. Definitely recommend it. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching. All right, guys. So here's the battery, the replacement battery for your Cobalt 40 volt. Just want to show you fully charged, but I'm just want to tell you that it does work with it does work with the Cobalt charger. So here you go. It's charging. So it still has a little charge to go because it's still blinking. So blinking is charging, full is solid, and then red is empty, or yeah. So you can tell it's charging even though it says it's fully charged. So, and then we got here the trimmer. This way it just clicks and it just works. And with this, you should be able to just switch from device to device, from tool to tool. So you can take this battery after you trim, put it on your blower, and it should give you enough juice to finish the whole backyard. So definitely a battery that you can buy. It's great replacement, 6 milliamps or 6 amps. So it will last you for the whole job, and you can charge it on your own Cobalt charger. So you don't need a different charger. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. Go get yours.